Hello everyone, welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 530 named minimum absolute difference in binary search tree. In this problem, we are given the root of the binary search tree and we have to return the minimum absolute difference between the values of any two different nodes in the tree. Suppose, let's understand this first example. Here the root is 4, which has two children, which is 2 and 6. 2 also has two children, which is 1 and 3. So here, the difference between node 1 and node 2 is 1, which is the minimum. So we have to return 1. Now, for this example 2, the root node is 1, which has two children, which is 0 and 48. And for 48, it has two children, which is 12 and 49. Now, the difference between 48 and 49 is 1. So we have to return 1, which is the minimum. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now, to solve this problem, we have taken this example. This is our binary tree. Or we can say that this is our binary search tree. Our root node is 4. Now, it has two children, 2 and 6. And 2 also has two children, which is 1 and 2. And sorry, 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are the leaf node because it does not have any other children here. So here, the algorithm is pretty simple. We will simply use the depth first search technique to solve this problem. At first, we will search all of the element and store the value into the vector. Now, suppose we are at this root 4, so we will store the value 4 here. From 4, we will go to the node 2, we will store 2 here. From 2, we will go to 1, so 1 will be stored here. From 1, we will go to 2, but 2 is already visited, so we will go to 3. Now, the DFS or the value 3 is stored here. Now, from this 3, we will again get back to 2. Now, again get back to 4, but 4 is also visited. Now, we will be at the element 6 or the node 6. Now, from the node 6, we will get back to 4 and it will return. Now, our vector contains the value 4 to 1, 3 and 6. Now, if we sort the element, it will become 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Now here, we will calculate the difference of the element which are adjacent to each other. So the difference between 1 and 2 is 1. The difference between 2 and 3 is 1. The difference between 3 and 4 is 1. And the difference between 4 and 6 is 1. So the minimum of all of them is 1. So in this case, or in this problem, we can say that the difference of the, or the minimum difference between two nodes is 1. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named get minimum difference. Here, the parameter is the tree. Now we are calling a DFS function on the tree. Inside the DFS function, if the root is null, we have to simply return. Otherwise, we have to insert the root value into a vector BC. Now, if the root left is exist, that means if the root has the left subtree, we have to recursively call the DFS function on the left subtree. And if the root has the right subtree, we have to recursively call the DFS function on the right subtree. Now, after the vector VC is modified, we have to sort it and calculate the answer, which is the minimum of answer and BC of I plus 1 minus BC of I. Finally, we have to return the answer. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.